Hello, my noble band of outlaws. Outlaw Samurai coming at you live with a video. I was at Walmart and decided to get 2 more of these Ruma sodas. Or ramune. Ramune. I don't know if this is ramune or ramun, since NE can make the sound ne in Japanese. But in any case, the strawberry one is self-explanatory. It's already strawberry flavored. This one is what interested me. Japanese melon. Now, it has come to my attention, courtesy of Toes 1, that the blue part on here screws off so that you can keep the marble when you're done drinking. And also, learning from my past dealings with this, is that this part comes out of this part. Okay, it's always a hassle with these things. So put that there, put that there, and you're supposed to hold this for 5 seconds after opening, so that it doesn't explode. Now then, doesn't smell that bad. Apparently these are not the kind that you're supposed to be able to twist off. Another very important note is that when you're drinking these, you have to drink it with these 2 nubs here so that the ball doesn't accidentally go back up onto the thing. Smells good. But taste, I'm having weird emotions here. It resembles watermelon flavor, but at the same time, not exactly. Like it's some sort of weird combination between a cantaloupe and a watermelon. I mean, maybe it's just my American taste buds at work here. I don't know. It's not bad. It's just I can't exactly place that melon flavor. Well, I guess the only thing I can say is it tastes like a Japanese melon. So until next time, my noble band of outlaws, Outlaw Samurai tells all y'all be crazy rednecks, be safe and use your weapons, and I hope you enjoy ramun watermelon flavor. The reason I'm doing this in short form is pretty much because I still haven't found my small tripods. I'm out. Peace.